So one good thing you both like about each other. I'm not going to ask the bad thing though, but yeah.
So he wakes me up in the morning and like I need him for that.
बस और कुछ ठीक है भाई.
और भी कुछ है क्या?
हाँ बता ना कृष्णा.
Like he's very good person, gives good advice about life and studies also.
कृष्णा का मेरे को जो अच्छा लगता है इज लाइक रियली डिपेंडेबल. सिर्फ मैं नहीं कहूँगा पूरा फ्रेंड ग्रुप है. हमें हेल्प चाहिए कुछ भी काम है.
Before you started with JEE preparation, any misconception you had in mind like बहुत ही boring होने वाला है? Any such thing you had in mind?
मेरा एक था. मैं बचपन में सोचता था कि स्कूल के वक्त कि भाई 7 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने पड़ते हैं, 7 किताबें लेके जानी पड़ती है. 11th 12th तो चिल होगा, 3 सब्जेक्ट रहेंगे, बस PCM पढ़ना है. मैं गलत था.
No one is born a topper. Success in JEE isn't about talent alone. It's about right strategy, guidance, discipline, and self-belief. Today, we bring you the real stories behind the ranks, straight from those who have been there and done it. Hi, this is Ishita Nag, marketer at Akash. Let's welcome Krishna Agarwal, who secured AIR 75 in JEE Advanced 2025, and Ayush Agarwal, who secured AIR 90 in JEE Advanced 2025. A very warm welcome to both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello guys.
Hi.
So to begin with, how is life at IIT Delhi?
So like college has been fun. Like all the grind at JEE has come to a great spot. Like it's very happening in college and it's fun now.
Like I agree with him. मतलब बहुत chill है college. And JEE के टाइम सब कुछ सिर्फ पूरा दिमाग एक चीज़ पे लगा होता था. And college की अच्छी बात ये है कि you get to explore a lot.
All the hard work you did is worth it now.
It was really.
Okay. So I also heard you both are roommates.
Yes, coincidence.
इत्तेफाक.
Okay. So one good thing you both like about each other. I'm not going to ask the bad thing though, but yeah.
So he wakes me up in the morning and like I need him for that.
बस और कुछ ठीक है भाई.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
और भी कुछ है क्या?
हाँ बता ना कृष्णा.
Like he's very good person, gives good advice about life and studies also.
Life coach.
Life coach.
Kinda.
Okay.
कृष्णा का मेरे को जो अच्छा लगता है इज लाइक रियली डिपेंडेबल. सिर्फ मैं नहीं कहूँगा पूरा फ्रेंड ग्रुप कहेगा. लाइक जो भी इसको कुछ हमें हेल्प चाहिए कुछ भी काम है, ही इज़ द वन पर्सन वी गो टू फॉर ऑल आवर प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड एक तो मेरा रूममेट है ही है, एक मेरे हर क्लास में ही है. तो मतलब थोड़ा क्लासेस भी संभाल लेता है मेरी ये. पूरा पहला सेमेस्टर तो इसने मेरे को कैरी किया. तो
Like Jan 2026 में JEE का एग्जाम दोबारा शुरू होगा. So for the JEE 2026 aspirants at this point of time, like in the Jan, Feb and March time, what do you both would suggest to do? Like mock test or more of test series? Should they stop doing any new thing at this point of time?
So like first of all, your mains would be approaching. So don't focus like for 15 days purely on mains. Give tests and manage your mains, your shift wise and all. And don't start something new now if something is left. Then after your mains, go back to your advanced, and because that's the main thing what you are preparing for. So focus completely on advanced. Then you can, if you have some backlog or stuff, then you can cover. And focus mainly on tests because the preparation सबकी हो चुकी है. And then tests are the main thing जहाँ से तुम्हें पता चलता है कि what are your strengths and weaknesses. And not only giving the test analysis is very important. क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि ये टॉपिक बहुत अच्छा है but you are not able to perform good in test though. So test analysis is मतलब the main key part at this point of time in your preparation.
I mean like सब कुछ उसने कहा ही है. मैं बस इतना बोलूँगा कि बहुत क्लोज है एग्जाम. मतलब अभी तक हवा में था कि एग्जाम आ रहा है, एग्जाम की तैयारी कर, एग्जाम देना है. अब आ चुका है एग्जाम एंड बिफोर यू नो इट यू विल बी देयर राइटिंग द एग्जाम. बिकॉज पता नहीं चल रहा एंड यू विल बी देयर. तो राइट नाउ योर एंटायर फोकस शुड बी ऑन प्रिपेयरिंग योर माइंड फॉर दैट मोमेंट. कि व्हेन यू गो एंड यू राइटिंग दैट एग्जाम यू आर रेडी फॉर इट. And the way is like he said, you have to give a lot of papers in this time and you have to really work on building your confidence. Because अब कंटेंट तुमने कर लिया, सबने कर लिया. द ओनली डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर इज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर आपने कॉन्फिडेंस पे वर्क कर लिया, अपने नर्व्स पे कंट्रोल पा लिया, nobody can stop you.
Yeah, so very good takeaway. Both of them like said, don't start anything new. Practice and revise and believe in your self. Like whatever you have done is enough and just feel confident about it. Okay. So Krishna, you started your preparation in class 11, like the coaching.
And
you started
Ninth.
So you in 11, you in 9th. So one question comes around ki what is the right time to start the JEE preparation?
So when I started in 11th, so a lot of my peers were like starting the preparation I started in 9th or 10th. So initially I faced challenges कि ये लोग तो ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, तो हाउ मैं इनसे आगे कैसे ही निकलूंगा. बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि कितना, इट्स कि यू गिव इट योर बेस्ट. इट्स अबाउट गिविंग इट योर बेस्ट, कि नथिंग इज टू लेट. बट इट्स, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि डोंट स्टार्ट. Start early is always a good thing, but don't lose confidence if you are starting it late.
If
Like-
you're already in 11th, then
Yes.
it's fine.
I myself started preparing for JEE in 11th, but it turned out to be good. Like, everything will happen if you give effort.
Of course, like whatever he said was true, but the earlier you start, the better. I mean,
Always.
9th is the sweet spot when you can actually start building your mindset towards it. मतलब, if you want to talk about JEE preparation, वो भी मैंने 11th से किया है. 9th से, but your focus is towards building your thought process, building your thought process through Olympiads. NSCGS होता है, IQM होता है, Senior Science Olympiads होते हैं, and there are good starting points to build your foundations, so that 11th में जब जाओगे तो the going is easier. I mean, like you said, you can still start in 11th, but the going will be much easier if you start earlier.
So before you started with JEE preparation, any misconception you had in mind, like बहुत ही boring होने वाला है, any such thing you had in mind, both of you?
मतलब मेरा एक था, मैं बचपन में सोचता था कि स्कूल के वक्त कि भाई 7 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने पड़ते हैं, 7 किताबें लेके जानी पड़ती है. 11th 12th तो चिल होगा, 3 सब्जेक्ट होंगे, बस PCM करना है. मैं गलत था. मतलब मोर स्टडीज होती थी, बल्कि मतलब स्कूल के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ता था. तो एक वो था, एंड दूसरा ये था कि आई वाज लाइक, सारा जो माइंडसेट था मेरा मूवीज एंड स्टोरीज के थ्रू बना था. एंड इट वाज लाइक हर मूवी में ये दिखाते एक शॉट होता है इसमें, लाइक अंधेरा हो रखा है, लैंप है, बहुत सारी स्टिकी नोट्स हैं, बहुत सारी किताबें हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है. मतलब इन रियलिटी JEE is more about consistency rather than intensity. I mean, like कभी आते कि you have to study a lot, but it's more about तुम डेली में कितना टाइम दे रहे हो. एंड जब तुम डेली में उसको प्रायोरिटाइज करके टाइम दे रहे होते हो, तो टाइम बन जाता है सब कुछ के लिए, फैमिली के लिए, थोड़ा सा ब्रेक के लिए, एंड ऑफ कोर्स पढ़ाई के लिए.
Like, it's not about studying 10 to 12 hours and being at the table. It's about your mindset, your discipline and your consistency.
Yes.
10-12 hours की study in a week doesn't matter कि 2-3 दिन you are studying 10 hours and then you're not studying. It's about even if you give 3 to 4 hours a day, but you're consistent and 100% efficient, it will happen. It's not like a full day grind or something. It's more about your discipline and consistency.
So if I take the previous question and this question both, मतलब what is the right time to start the JEE preparation में भी, तो it's more about the quality.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
हो सकता है
Always.
फाउंडेशन में 9th में कोई शुरू करे, but they are not able to SJEE.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
someone might be starting at 12th and they are
Of
able to
course.
SJEE. So it's more about the quality that matters over quantity, and the consistency is of course very important.
Consistency over intensity.
Yes.
Everything.
So consistency over intensity. Very nicely said that. Okay. So when you were preparing for JEE, like how your usual day would look like?
Mine, it was like wake up like 7 a.m., go to classes, and then after classes, take a break from the study. Like, classes were intense usually. Then I used to start studying. So first it was the questions related to the topics taught in the class the same day, and then a bit look through the coming topics or a revision of the previous topics during the end time. And so yeah, it was.
So it's to revise the same day whatever was taught in the class.
Yes.
Because is there any logic behind, like it help you to retain better or memorize?
The point is what you consume in class and you recall it again. So it settle in your memory better. Like, you studied something in the class and did the question the same day. So you have basically covered the whole topic in the day. So it fits in your memory better.
Okay.
I've always wanted to do this, and हमेशा चाहता
But you
था कि
couldn't.
मैं आज
Okay.
का जो पढ़ा है पढ़ूंगा. काफी बार नहीं हो पाता था, आलस में आ जाते थे. तो ठीक है, मेरा काफी सिमिलर सा शेड्यूल रहता था, बट मैं थोड़ी स्टडी आवर्स काफी वेरी किए हैं अक्रॉस द
Okay.
2 years.
Okay.
पहले स्टार्टिंग में रात में पढ़ता था लाइक 2-3, फिर मैं स्विच किया कि मैं 4 o'clock उठ रहा हूँ. फिर मैंने वापस स्विच किया कि मैं 12 बजे तक सोता था, 6 बजे उठता था, फिर 2 घंटे और पढ़ता था.
Okay.
एंड आई ट्राई टू डू दिस कि मतलब डेली रिविजन करो, बट मैथ्स फिजिक्स के साथ स्पेशली नहीं हो पाता था. केमिस्ट्री के साथ मैं जरूर करता था कि डेली में होते जाएगा कवर.
Okay.
हाँ,
Like, maths physics don't require daily revision.
yeah.
It's like you should not lose touch with the topic. is
बैकलॉग
what
नहीं
I'm
बनना
saying.
चाहिए.
Okay. So any difficult subject, like you found it difficult, any such subject
Organic.
Yes,
Organic chemistry?
Organic was one which I put a lot of effort in.
The only issue which I faced was कि बहुत सारे variables होते हैं organic में in questions and हमेशा वो define नहीं हो पाते थे ढंग से question वाले से भी हमसे भी and कई बार फिर चीज़ें चली जाती कि ऐसे ही होता है वैसे ही होता है. There's always a logic behind it but क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें कंसिडर करनी पड़ती है तो वो लॉजिक कई बार अच्छे से आता नहीं निकल के.
Okay.
तो वो मेरे साथ बहुत मिस करता था. तो द ओनली वे आई गॉट थ्रू इट वाज कि मतलब एक्सेप्ट कि कुछ चीज़ें हैं कुछ चीज़ें नहीं है एंड रियलाइज कि क्वेश्चंस में पैटर्न क्या है कि एग्जामिनर क्या पूछने की कोशिश कर रहा है उसके बेसिस पे करना.
No, I think this is common among all the IITians, that is chemistry. मतलब जितने भी लोगों से मैंने पूछा जो AIR 1 से लेके AIR 16, AIR 100 सबका यही है कि chemistry is something they find it very difficult to tackle. Okay, so might be ratify something.
Not really because sometimes there are some topics which you even want to cover the logic, it's always out of scope, so you
Okay.
can go that deep, so you have to learn it. So
Like my teacher said कि there's a difference between high school chemistry and high school physics maths. High school physics and maths is very idealized. Like वो असली physics maths नहीं touch करती. वो
अच्छा.
बस idealized एक normalized version में पढ़ाते हैं. Chemistry as a subject is जो आपको real चीज़ों के साथ deal करना पड़ता है. And real जब आप उसमें जाते हो क्या कहते हैं real environments में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें fluctuate करती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें निकलती हैं. That's why it becomes a little tough. और थोड़ा सा unpredictable हो जाता है कई बारी. That's why मतलब I used to face a difficulty in it. But nonetheless मेरे को interesting सबसे ज़्यादा chemistry लगती थी. So
Oh, is it? Okay. And you?
I was a physics lover.
Okay, physics lover. ठीक है. तो अभी like you know you're talking about the study strategy. Like the study strategy of JEE Main is quite different from that of a JEE Advanced.
Yes,
Okay, last time in the podcast you told that you focus mostly on JEE Advanced and just a few
Pivoted
days
for
before the
15
JEE
days.
Main you told that. So what is it like for Ayush? I would try to understand.
I mean JEE मेंस के लिए स्पेसिफिक कुछ मैंने अलग नहीं किया था. The only difference was कि जब पास आने लगा था, it was 1 month before, I shifted a little and I started giving more and more papers of JEE मेंस. कि मेंस एंड एडवांस में जो मेजर डिफरेंस होता है वो है एक तो एग्जाम पैटर्न बहुत अलग होता है, मतलब बहुत अलग ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए दोनों को, एंड दूसरा होता है क्वेश्चन स्टाइल. JEE एडवांस्ड इज आई वुड से अ लिटिल मोर rigorous in the form कि बहुत logical questions होते हैं and JEE Mains is a lot more simpler side पे questions होते हैं, a lot more straightforward questions होते हैं. तो there's a difference in how you treat the questions and वो exam temperament build करने के लिए the way I went for it was papers लगाने. The score 300 चल रहा था, archive test series चल रही थी and daily के at least 2 papers मैं लगाने लग गया था and मैं क्या पूरे बैच ही लगाता था. So वो हैबिट में ही बन गया था and test analysis follows that. JEE Main से पहले कि मैंने एक और चीज़ जो की थी वो थी कि मैंने I made a priority list of all my chapters जो pending है and I sorted them on the basis of mains में क्या आ रहा है, advanced में क्या आ रहा है. Because I knew कि मैं एक महीने में 2 साल का सब कुछ कवर नहीं कर सकता and I still would have time for advanced. तो उस एक महीने में जो हाई प्रायोरिटी के मेरे चैप्टर्स निकले उस लिस्ट में से उन पे फोकस किया रिविजन करने के लिए. नथिंग न्यू, कुछ नथिंग स्टार्ट नहीं किया मैंने बस उन स्पेसिफिक सिलेक्टेड चैप्टर्स पे फोकस किया.
Okay, so Krishna, to you, like what was your the D day जो जिस दिन एग्जाम था उस दिन what you did to maintain calmness and
So first of all, I didn't study for 2 days before JEE Advanced, not touching anything at all and just focusing off my mindset. Like one of my teacher always told that कि on that day nothing would matter how much you have prepared, how much you have studied. All would matter is your mindset and your confidence. And that day will, if 70% of the preparation accounts for the preparation, then I would say 30% matters for that day. You should be confident enough and believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. कि just be like कि अगर मेरे से नहीं हो रहा तो किसी से नहीं होने वाला. Be confident in yourself and most importantly take care of your health and stay hydrated क्योंकि तब बहुत गर्मी होती है in this part of the country, right? Stay hydrated and focus on your health and yeah, so mindset would be important on that day.
Okay.
Well, I would like to add like एकदम सही बोला इसने and मैंने 1-2 टेक्निक्स यूज़ किए थे उस चीज़ को लाने के लिए, स्पेशली ऑन JEE एडवांस्ड. तो JEE एडवांस का पेपर हमारा 9 बजे था ना, 9 बजे था एंड हमें अंदर 8 बजे तक जाना था. तो मैं घर से 6 बजे निकल गया था एंड मैंने उससे पिछले रात 6 से लेकर 8 बजे तक 3 अलार्म सेट किए थे इन द गैप्स ऑफ 20-30 मिनट्स एंड हर अलार्म में से टाइटल होते ना, तो अपने लिए कोट लिखते थे उस टाइटल में
Okay.
Okay, so like my first quote was, we don't need a miracle, we just need you to perform as you do. And second was like, I don't know everything but I know enough. And third was मचा दे. ऐसे 3-4 कोड सेट कर लिए थे just in case कि अगर मैं एक external reminder है, because sometimes what Krishna talked about was an internal reminder for you. Sometimes you need an external reminder.
Okay.
तो एक टेक्निक मैंने यूज़ की थी. दूसरी ये मैंने ऑन द स्पॉट सोचा था. मैं पेपर देने गया, मैंने अपना वो बुकलेट मिलती है एंड बुकलेट में हर 4-5 पेज के बाद अगेन मैंने सेम चीज़ करी, छोटे छोटे कोट्स लिख दिए अपने लिए कि हाँ भाई यू आर डूइंग गुड, कीप गोइंग. एंड मेरे साथ एक चीज़ होती थी कि मैं पेपर देते हुए अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी खो देता था. तो उसमें भी रिमाइंडर्स थे कि ओके अगर टफ हो रहा है क्वेश्चन, लीव इट. So yeah, you can try that. I mean, like it worked for me.
Yeah, actually this is very helpful.
हाँ.
और मुझे आप दोनों से बात करके जो समझ में आया कि उस दिन के प्रिपरेशन 3-4 दिन पहले ही शुरू कर दो. It's not just the same day. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Start building the temperament and keep staying relaxed, sleep well, eat well.
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
more important. And don't start again anything new.
Yes,
Because उससे और ज़्यादा anxiety build up हो सकते हैं. Okay, so exam hall में what strategy you both have applied? Like right, you got the paper. From that time till you ended. What strategy did you apply? Like कौन सा chapter? Like आप सोच के गए थे कि ये ही पहले करेंगे, ये बाद में. So उसके बारे में something if both of you can say.
So I had fixed my strategy way before. Like I used to give all the mock tests like it's the advanced, so I didn't try to do something new. My strategy was fixed: physics, chemistry, and maths. And you know what? In the paper, you have to think: is the paper easy? Is the paper tough? है ना? So in our year, the paper one was relatively way more easier. So it is it's not like in easy paper, it's very important that you avoid silly mistakes, because in easy paper, silly mistakes get you down. So you have to be careful, not like rush too much. And on the contrasting way, the paper 2 was slightly tougher. So it required कि there were some questions which had to be left. So you have to figure out in the paper itself कि you have to change your strategy a bit and define yourself. So that comes through like giving more papers and all, and not try something new in a strategy on that day.
Like very well said, but like major strategy थी, it was all about optimization. मतलब सबको same paper मिल रहा है and सबने same content consume किया है. It's all about आप उस setting में कितना optimize कर सकते हो. Okay, J Advance is never about getting full marks. It's about getting the maximum marks you can get. And the way I used to go about it is कि I used to scan the paper from first question to last and try to solve all the questions I can, and then choose the questions which I would spend time on after that, and leave the ones which I think okay इसमें ज़्यादा ही time लगेगा. I have to leave them because it's clear maths. I mean like top 100 goes on an average of 80% questions, and say if there's about एक पेपर में कितने क्वेश्चन होते हैं 36 questions होता है, तो 10% is what 3.6
51 questions. 51 questions.
51 questions होता है, 20% is 10 questions. So आप 10 questions के अराउंड लीव कर सकते हो, एंड अगर आप 100% एक्यूरेसी करो. आई मीन लाइक व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि आपको पूरा पेपर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नॉट एवरी क्वेश्चन इज वर्थ द एफर्ट, एंड यू कुड एंड यू शुड लीव सम क्वेश्चंस. उसी माइंडसेट से मैं जाता था, एंड वो माइंडसेट मैं पहले से डेवलप कर रखा था. लाइक कृष्णा सेड, कुछ नया ट्राई नहीं किया. It was the exam temperament which I had developed over the time, not a week before, not a month before, over the time.
Okay, so again a very insightful tips from both of you. So we have reached the end of the session. 2 or 3 mistakes that JEE aspirants should avoid, जो मुझे अब तक आप दोनों से बात करके पता लग चुका है कि क्या वो mistake है. So should I tell?
Sure, you can ask.
So one is focus on quality over quantity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The second is don't start anything new, especially if you are sitting in Jan and Feb. Start revising and build confidence on whatever you have prepared till now. And practice and revise is something you should do at the last 3 months of the exam. Missed out on something else?
Yes, one thing. It was a mistake I did JEE time, and it was कि JEE is tough. And my teachers always used to say कि JEE is toughest not because उसका content hard है या फिर उसका level बहुत अच्छा है. It is toughest because that kind of exam is given to kids our age, 17-18 years old, जो अभी बस घर से निकल रहे हैं. And we're not mature enough at times to face it all. We're not strong enough at times to face it all. But there is strength inside us, and वो हमें कई बार दिखती नहीं है. And हम उसी thoughts के अंदर suffocate होने लग जाते हैं. It is a very it's not just about academics. JEE is much more about academics, also about your emotional intelligence. And what I did wrong was with suffocation mein, I did not ask for help. What you should avoid is, and you should do is, go and ask for help. There's always somebody to help you. You have your teachers, you have your parents, you have your peers. Okay, you should reach out to somebody, and it would help. Trust me, it does help.
Okay, so reach out whenever you feel demotivated
Yes,
or whenever
ma'am.
you need help. Okay. So any final message for the JEE 2026 aspirant, like especially those who are appearing this year for JEE? Any final message from you both?
Like most of it has been covered, and I would say ki work on a mindset, confidence and focus. Be consistent and don't take too much stress, because carrying a burden won't help, right? So enjoy your preparation. After you will pass JEE, you will always remember your preparation and not the result. Like the preparation is very enjoy. It's a good experience overall in life.
I mean, yeah, very true. I mean, like, अभी आप बहुत grind कर रहे हो, आप बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो. And the thing is, I have been on your side and now I'm on the other side. And standing here, I can tell you, it will all be worth it. All the pain, all the days you broke down, all the nights you broke down, it will all be worth it, because college is really an amazing experience, and an IIT is much more amazing than a normal college. And that's what I'm trying to show you, that the other side is really, really good. So come and join me, come and join us. Okay, then all the best,
All the
guys.
best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ayush and Krishna, for sharing your experiences so honestly. And to every aspirant watching, keep going. Your journey is building something bigger than just a rank. Thank you.